So before this video starts, I want to apologise because the screen is kind of small, but it's still followable. Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to get more followers on TikTok instantly. So if you do enjoy this video and it helps you out, please like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. So as you can see, I'm currently on 47 followers. And if I search in Riaz.14 and click on his profile, and then you follow him, and then you just want to unfollow him, and then keep following him, follow him again, and then unfollow, and then repeat that just for a while. But you do get timed out for a couple of minutes, so don't worry, it won't stop you from following people. Just don't do it too fast, and take a break like after 2 minutes of doing it. So I'm just going to do it a couple of times here. Couple more times so I can show you that it actually does work, because you're not always guaranteed a follower every time you do it, but you get quite a few, and if you keep repeating this then you will get a lot. So if you remember, around 47 followers. If I go off it now, as you can see, these notifications are all followers, and even some likes there from people. So all them followers, and now I'm up to 63. So if this helped you out, please like, subscribe and share this video to other people to help them out too. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.